Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will try to help you learn how to revert Chrome browser to its old version. After some updates in 2023, Google changed the design of the Chrome browser. Some of the changes are not bad, but there are some that I didn't really like. For example, I didn't like the colorless folders in the bookmark tab. Here and here. I liked the yellow folders that were in the bookmarks tab before. In my opinion, they looked more beautiful and it was more convenient to find the desired folder. I don't know, maybe I'm just used to the old version or something. Anyway, I had tried to find a way to get my yellow folders back. So, what we have to do? First, in Chrome browser, we type in Chrome:///flags. In Search Flags field, search for Chrome Refresh. Here it is. Click on a drop-down here and select Disabled. Then click on Relaunch. Now it is returned back to older version. Now, if you need to revert bookmark folders to yellow color, in Search Flags field, search for Customize Chrome Side Panel. On a drop-down, select Disabled, and click on Relaunch. That's what we have to do. Yellow folders are back. As you can see, it's a pretty easy process. I hope this video helps you guys. If yes, please do not forget to like the video. Until next time.